If we need to delete a project file, from the File menu, select Delete. Now navigate to the folder where the project is stored and then select it. If we now confirm, a message here asks us to confirm the delete process. Click Yes if you are sure about your choice, and No if you want to cancel such request. Please keep in mind that this operation is to be carried out with due care, because after you delete the project, it can't be recovered anymore. In fact, we can only use the backup files and retrieve a previously saved version of our requested project file.